everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here to do the reading for next month, that is the month of August, when our festivals start. First is Raksha Bandhan and then a lot of festivals. Hopefully the month of August will be much better than our previous months, and hope we do get to see some enjoyment, some good positive energies in the coming months. So let's start with the card reading. First, we'll go ahead and do for Aries. Let's see what the card has to say for the sign Aries. Where the health is concerned, don't neglect anything, like, if there is a minor thing, just like maybe a stomach pain, or just an example, we usually ignore it, saying it might be some, some stomach upset issues or some gastric issues or something like that. But anything little like that, a pain, just don't take it kind of, very, what you call, not taking care of it kind of a thing. Just go and show it to the doctor, because it can be something else than what you're thinking about it. So health is that. Where the career is concerned, I feel there is a little bit of a not good card for you, because whatever you were expecting to happen where the career is concerned in this month, I don't see it happening. And where your relationships with your colleagues or with your loved ones are concerned, I do see a good relationship coming out. There is no doubt the relationship will be little better in August, and you will build a new relationship in the month of August. So just you have to be little careful with your career, because the career card is little not that good. So just make sure you pay attention to your career, and of course your health, so that don't neglect your health or don't neglect your little pain. Just go and show it to the doctor. Now the second sign that we are going to do is Taurus. Where your Taurus people, where your health is concerned, you have to be also careful in the month of August, because I do see some worries, some tension related problem coming your way. So related to maybe the head, or something like pressure, or maybe migraines, or that kind of a issue, because there's a lot of stress going around you people. Also, where your career is concerned, make sure whoever you're working with, you trust that people properly before making any kind of decision with that, because August is the month. The card that's telling me for you is you have to be very careful before signing any contracts, or making any deals with any persons where your career is concerned, or signing any new job opportunities. Make sure you read through the lines properly. Where your relationship are concerned, Taurus people, it's a very good card for you. Relationship, I see more relationship coming your way. Whatever issues or misunderstanding must be happening in the past months, I do see it sorting out. So the card is super where the relationship is concerned. If you are single, I do see someone coming in your life too in August. So just have to be careful, Taurus people. Can be careful before signing any papers in August. And where your health is concerned, headaches, migraines, or something that will come up in August due to the stress and tension that you have been taking. Now the Gemini. What do Gemini has to say? Again, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are also on Instagram and Facebook, so please go and like my page there. So we are doing the cards for Gemini now. Gemini people, where your health is concerned, I do see your health totally fine in the month of August. I do see your health getting better in the month of August. If you have been having some issues where your health are concerned in the last few months, you will see a good progress, coming your way, a good health coming your way. So you don't have to worry about your health in August. Where your career is concerned, I do see a total change in your career. Maybe whatever you're doing is going to totally end, and you're going to go into a new project, a new work, or maybe a person might have a change of position in the office, maybe from a very totally different work that I'm seeing that's coming for people of Gemini in the month of August. So I do see a change of career coming your way in the month of Gemini, or maybe who already has a good job, a good post, everything. I see you being promoted or something to a better post for the Gemini people. And with the relationship are concerned, the relationship card is also very good for the Gemini. I do see relationships getting better. Whatever past regrets or past problems you had in your relationship, they will slowly get better in August. And I do see a gathering coming, some fun time coming where relationships are concerned for the people of Gemini. Now we will go ahead and do Cancer. Cancer people. Cancer people, where your health are concerned, I don't see any problems coming your way. In fact, there is a moment of joy, happiness that's going to come around. So there is no health issues, bad health issues that I am seeing that's coming your way in August. So that's a very positive card. Also, where your career front is concerned, whatever there is might be in past few months, some work that's held back, or you are not able to do something. This is the month where you will progress in that. You will move ahead in the work that you had taken, or where that work had become stagnant kind of a thing. And where your relationship are concerned, it'll be a normal kind of relationship. It's not a bad card also, nor it's a very good card. So relationship wise, it will be a stable relationship with you. But I do see there is some financial conditions, or that might affect your relationship in August. So try to balance your financial condition as well as your relationship in the month of August. So that's for Cancer. Now we will be doing Leo. For Leo, where the health cards are concerned, I do see a good card. In fact, there is no health problems I see for the month of August for the people in Leo. In fact, they will be seeing their health, that is maybe you had some problems with your health in the last few months. You will see that it's getting better slowly. Of course, it's going to be a slow healing kind of a thing for you, but it's going to be 100% kind of healing coming your way in the month of August. Where your work is concerned, please Leo people, be very careful where trusting people easily, or just making sure whatever you do where your work front is concerned, you make sure everything you see properly, read properly, and understand what's behind the lines, whatever it is. Plus be very careful with the people, because there is a situation that might come up in August where the people might say something to you and they might do something behind your back. So just be very careful, Leo people, about this kind of people. Plus where your relationship are concerned, you have to be careful in the month of August, Leo people, because there might be issues I see coming. There might be arguments, there might be fight. I do see some relationship issues coming up for the people in Leo for the month of August. So just make sure that the communication is there between you guys, and you sort out the problem before it causes a major issue. Mostly there will be like a third person mostly who will be creating those fights or arguments between you people. So just make sure you take it easy where your relationship you are concerned in the month of August. Now we'll be doing Virgo. Virgo people, health are concerned, superb card I have got for Virgo people. Virgo people, you don't have to be nothing to worry about your health conditions. You know, you are going to get better. In fact, your health is going to get better than what it is right now. Not, it's a beautiful card that I have got. So don't worry about your health. If you are worried about it, like in the past few months, if you think that your health is worrying you or giving you trouble, this month is going to be a month of healing for you. You know, miracles are going to happen where your health are concerned, and your health is going to remain really fine in the month of August. Where your career is concerned, opportunities are going to come your way, so try to grab the opportunities. There are chances that you might become a little lazy, and you know, you might not see the opportunities, and you might not see the right opportunities that's coming your way and grabbing it. So you know, whenever there is an opportunity, make sure you grab that opportunity in the month of August, because that's going to be really good for you. Where your relationship are concerned, people, I see trust issues coming. So you know, do not trust anyone very easily where your relationship are concerned. People who are already in relationship, make sure you talk to each other and make sure you communicate with each other, so there is no misunderstanding between you people, because there is a card that has come that can cause some misunderstanding, that can cause you some communications problem, where you know, the relationship might be at stake later on. So just be careful in the month of August, Virgo people. Now we will go ahead and do Libra. Where your health is concerned, Libra people, you don't have to worry again. Your health is going to get better. Plus, it's going to stay that way. You know, it's a very strong card that I have got where your health is concerned. So you don't have to worry at all about your health. It's always going to be good in the month of August. You won't have any complaints where your health are concerned. Where your career is concerned, the card is saying to donate something. Try to donate something in the month of August if you want to see changes in your career, because that is needed. That's what the card is saying for August. So try to donate something to the people as much as possible in the month of August if you want to see some progress in your career. Plus the relationship, be careful. Libra, in August is the reason that you know, whatever you are seeing might not be the right thing. So if people are into a relationship or are trying to get into a relationship, make sure you know the in and out of the person before you get into a very serious relationship. And people who are already into a relationship, make sure you share out and communicate with each other as usual, and be clear about your points to each other, so there is no confusion caused later on. Otherwise, August looks superb for you. So now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. So let's go ahead and do Scorpio. Where Scorpio people are concerned and the health is concerned, in the month of August, just be very careful. Don't neglect your health. Show to the doctor as soon as possible. If you have a minor pain or something, you have to, because there are chances that you might not know the real reason of the pain. So it's better you go to the doctor and get it checked properly, because there might be some kind of confusion caused due to your health in the month of August. So make sure you go to the doctor and get it checked properly. Where your career is concerned, I do see some kind of burden coming your way in the month of August. You will be having some kind of job issue or some kind of career issue where there's a lot of stress going to come your way in the month of August. So try to deal with it with ease, because I do see a pressure where workforce or your career coming in the month of August. Where your relationship are concerned, some of the Scorpion people are right now feeling very tied up, very can't do like can't do anything in your relationship, some kind, that kind of a feeling. So take it easy, think positive, and be positive, to improve your relationship in August, because there is a feeling of time tied up, and needs to be want freedom kind of feelings coming your way in the month of August. So just take it easy for the month of August and let the month of August go, and try to be positive where your relationship are concerned. Otherwise, think positive and your month of August will go superb. Now we will go ahead and do Sagittarius. Where Sagittarius people are concerned, health is concerned, also I would suggest them to go ahead and take care of your health properly in the month of August. Don't neglect any pain coming your way, little pain. Make sure you get to the right thing of the health issue that you are having. Maybe a minor pain might require a doctor. Please go ahead and go to the doctor, take proper health medicines, whatever is needed, because it might happen same thing, like whatever it is shown to you, it might not be, and it might be something more. The second thing about the career is concerned, again, Sagittarius people have to donate something. If they would make some kind of donation, that would be good for the career. There will be some opportunities coming their way in the month of August by donating some things to the poor people. Anything like food, grains, or anything to them will help them where their career is concerned. And where the relationship is concerned, it's a good card, but there is again some issues going on where your finance is concerned that might affect your relationship in the month of August. So try to sort out the financial issues that is causing confusion between you people, and otherwise the relationship looks fine. If you have patience, try to communicate properly, try to be clear with other, your relationship looks fine. So now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. Let's see what the next month says about Capricorn. Where the health is concerned, Capricorn people has to be very careful if they have little issues where their health is concerned, because that might be something that you might neglect, and there can be a bigger issue coming out of it. So where health is concerned, you have to be very careful and go to the doctor if there is some sign of pain or some sign of some kind of health issues you feel that is not right. Maybe severe headache or stomach pain or something. Just don't neglect it, go to the doctor and show it, because the August month looks fine where your health is concerned, but it also gives me a sign where it says that you have to not neglect your health when there is a pain, a little pain or something, and go to the doctor and take proper medicines. Where your career is concerned, I do see a progress coming. Whatever you were waiting for in the past few months is going to come your way, and you are going to progress. So I see a move ahead card kind of a thing in a good way. So if there is something where your career is concerned, or job is concerned, or some kind of work is concerned that has stopped in past few months, I do see it progressing in the month of August. Where your relationships are concerned, it's a very superb card, Capricorn people. You will have a good relationship in the month of August. The relationship between husband, wife, or anyone is going to be really good. I don't see any problems in relationship coming in August for Capricorn people. In fact, there will be new relationships coming your way in the month of August. So superb card for relationship. The other cards are also good for the Capricorn people, but they have to be careful where their health is concerned. Now we'll go ahead and do Aquarius. For Aquarius people, where your health are concerned, just be very careful. Issues related to your mind, your thinking, your stress. Keep your stress level normal. Don't take too much stress, because I see something related to your stress. Kind of something like headaches, migraines, or maybe pressure related problems coming your way in August, because there is a card that is showing that you're taking a lot of stress right now, so that might affect your health in some way. Where your career is concerned, Aquarius people, you will be facing some kind of burden coming in August. Whatever you were expecting to come in the month of August, where your work is concerned, I don't see it progressing in that way. So there is some stress going to come where your career is concerned in the month of August, and there will be a little bit of burden where your work is concerned. So just career wise, just be a little careful. Where your relationships are concerned, I do see good relationship coming in August. There shouldn't be any problem for Aquarius people. Whatever relationship it was having problems, or was not actually having relationship kind of a thing, then they can see progress coming in the month of August. You will see your relationships in fact getting better in the month of August, and new relationship coming your way in the month of August. So the cards look good for the people of Aquarius, but they just have to be careful not to take much stress and burden. Now we'll go ahead and do for Pisces. That's our last sign. Pisces people, just be careful where your health is concerned. Again, because of some financial condition coming your way in August, there is always going to be stress. So there is going to be some stress related problems coming your way in August. Be very careful with something like headaches or migraines, and something related to stress like pressure. Don't take stress, don't overwork yourself, because there might be some health issues coming due to that reason in the month of August. Also, where your career is concerned, I do not see that much progress coming your way in the month of August. It's a moon sign, so there is some kind of whatever you were wishing for in this couple of months might not be coming at that level for you guys in the month of August. So you'll have to just wait and watch for the month of August where your career is concerned. And where relationships are concerned, be very careful, because there are issues for the Pisces people coming, where there will be arguments between people in the family. The relationship might not be good. There might be some communication problem between people. So you just have to take it slow and take it very positively during the month of August, because it might cause you problems regarding your relationship in the month of August. So for the Pisces people, the relationship health card as well as the career card is a very okay card. But think positive. There's always positivity coming your way, so think positive and it will happen positive for you guys. So that's it for now for the tarot card readings for the month of August. Like I told you, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Do like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and we are on Facebook and Instagram, so please go and like my page there too. So stay blessed, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.